Today we are diving into a fresh and radiant island makeup look, perfect for that summer beach vibe. Hi everyone, I'm Angie and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare and all things pretty. So if that's your vibe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get into the video. I'm starting off with e.l.f. foundation and let me tell you, it melts into the skin and gives me that smooth, even base. The key here is to choose a foundation that matches your skin type, whether you are oily, dry or combo. This one gives a natural finish which is perfect for our sun-kissed island vibe. Now for the spot concealing, I use a small brush to precisely cover up my acne marks. Then, with whatever product is left, I gently tap it under my eyes to brighten the dark circles. Pro tip, don't go in heavy with concealer. Slowly build it up so it doesn't look cakey or crease. Now let's lock it all in with a setting powder. I press it into the skin using a puff, especially in the T-zone, because we don't want our base sliding around in this heat. For brows, I fluff them up with a clear brow wax, then gently set them in place. A structure and fluffy brows gives that effortless peachy look. I'm contouring my nose with Hoola bronzer, just a little swipe starting from the brow area down to the side of my nose. It creates a soft, natural looking shadows. I'm super excited about this new blush palette I got. It's giving summer dreams. I literally mix all the sets together and apply it to my cheeks, nose bridge and tip, even a bit on my chin for that sun-kissed glow. Then I clean everything out with a clean powder brush. I bronze my face to bring the warmth to my face. I apply it around my forehead, temples and jawline. For eyes, I'm using a new palette by the way. I mix two soft shades and blend them into my crease for a warm base. Then I take a darker shade and focus it on the outer corners to add depth. For the lids, I apply a soft peachy tone. It's perfect for that soft glam. I line my eyes off camera, curl my lashes and added these individual false lashes. I take the same two shades from the before and softly blend along my lower lash line. Then I add a shimmer shadow to the inner corners and drag it slightly upward. It really lifts the eyes and pulls the whole look together. For lips, I start by overlining my cupid's bow, then follow my natural lip shape. I apply a red tinted crayon and blend it with my finger for that blurred look and finish it off with a juicy lip gloss. I highlight the nose bridge, tip of my nose, my brow bone and chin. Then I tap a dewy balm over the highlighter to make it look like super fresh and glowy, not glittery, just skin that's been kissed by the sun. And that's my island girl makeup look, dewy, fresh and perfect for summer days. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, drop your favorite summer products in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.